By midnight, the old bell tower would toll on its own, echoing a warning no one dared to ignore. Built in 1856, the bell tower of St. Augustine stood as a symbol of hope for the coastal town, guiding ships safely ashore. But tragedy struck when a fierce storm sank a ship just offshore, claiming the lives of many, including the bell ringer, who vowed to keep ringing no matter what. Years later, locals reported hearing the bell chime at midnight, even though it hadn't been rung for decades. Visitors and townsfolk alike felt an eerie chill as the bell tolled, and some claimed to see a shadowy figure near the tower, desperately pulling the rope. So when the bell tolls on stormy nights, is it a warning from beyond, or the bell ringer's eternal promise to protect the town?